Hi everyone, Rachel Prophet here with another Success by Design Nugget. I'm a white female with reddish brown hair that's in a bun today. My pronouns are she, her, and I'm wearing a purple sweater. I am in my office as usual with my epic sticker wall behind me. Today's Success by Design Nugget is all about project scope. Again. This time we're going to take a look at how your scope affects licensing gaps and your all-up architecture. So let's start with your gaps. Now, you may not have a 100% list of all of your gaps, but you should have awareness of your big ticket items. This might include features and business requirements that require an ISV solution or significant development, for example. Your detailed gap list will likely evolve over the life of the project and as your business evolves. But if you miss some big ticket items up front, this can cause project delays and budget overages. You do not need a detailed solution for your gaps up front, but you should have a high-level approach and expectations documented at the onset of your project. With the list of all your business processes that are in scope and gaps that the solution may not cover, you're ready to create your first draft of the solution architecture and blueprint. I like to visualize the solution, so creating a diagram of all the components and how they will connect helps to outline how the solution will be put together. This includes any integrations to existing systems and external components that may be part of the Microsoft ecosystem, for example, such as the Dataverse, Power Platform components like Power Apps and Power Automate flows, and Azure components like Logic Apps and the Data Lake, and so on. It's not a bad idea to create some simple process flow diagrams for your most business critical processes as well to demonstrate the flow of data. This will allow the project team to identify any major gaps up front. With your solution architecture and blueprint in place, you'll want to analyze the licensing requirements. There's a good chance that basic licensing was included up front, but the overall architecture and approach can significantly change the cost of your project. If you decide to use Azure Logic Apps for all integrations, but there was an expectation this could be costly. Not to mention, it may require different project team members based on the skill set required for the technology that you select. If an ISV is required for some gaps, make sure to include the licensing and implementation costs. ISV selection should not be pushed off to later in the project, as it can cause project delays and unexpected costs. That's all for today's Success by Design Nugget. If you have questions or comments, be sure to put them in below. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, click the bell, and we'll see you next time on Dynamics 365 Unboxed.